Hello, welcome, namaste. Now, suppose we want to create a specific uh, contour line or rivers, roads, so we can use line layers. That is, so how to create a line graph. I just opened the QGIS software. In last lecture we seen how we can create a point layer. Okay, now I just uncheck the box of the project, so zoom the layers. So these are the contour lines. Okay, then these are the rivers which we want to digitalized. eh? And some contour lines are like these, some roads are here, so we can digitalize a road, a railway line also, uh, rivers also, and contour also, with the help of line layer. So first of all, go to the layer to create a shape file. We want to create a line layer, so we first of all we want to create a contour. Okay, so I give us the name contour, then geometry types, that is a line, same name here, contour. Okay, then just click on OK. So here is a layer, contour layer. Now first of all we can start digitalizing with the use of this toggle editing. Suppose I click on toggle editing, the new layer generate, that is the add line features, and when I click on add line feature, the cursor will be changed. I just stop here. Now I want to digitalize the contour, so I will check the property of contour, right click, properties. So these are the simple line, I want the contour color, so I decide this color for contour. Stroke line width, suppose I want to increase the, let's see, in a preview we see the line width. Okay, and so in this way we can make it for offset. Which types of line we need a solid line. Okay, then style we seen. So in this way I say apply and OK. Now our line properties is ready. So I zoom the layer. First of all I want to zoom this contour line. Okay, I just click on toggle editing and start zoom the layer again and again. Okay, now it is very good disable. Just click on add line, cursor will be changed, I start editing on the line. Okay, in this way I will start the editing the contour line. So click on, and when it's finished, so I want to see where it finished, just go to the directly on a zoom, click on it, zoom the layer. Okay, then again click on add line, so line will see the line which is connected, and connect the line and make it right click. When the connect, there is a yellow mark. Okay, so this is my first line, so I give us the ID as a one number, click it OK. So I just stop the editing and save it, go to the full length, I zoom the layer. See here I just uncheck the original layers, then we will find the contour line is ready. Okay, now just I want to create an attribute table of contour. Open the attribute table. I want to create here a one column. So first click on toggle editing, go to the open attribute table. So I want to mention here the contour height, add field, then the height is okay. These are the integer, not a text. So the length of integer which is mentioned as a 10. Okay, new column is here, is height is ready. The first contour height which is 5000, I just click and mention here, type here 5000, click here and just I close it and click on toggle editing and save it. Just check it, right click on contour, go to attribute table. So here is the 5000 height which is mentioned. Now we want to digitalize the second contour. Okay, so again I click on the toggle editing using the add line but with the use of zoom layer. Okay, now click on the add line. I start editing from here just like this. Okay, so now I want to continue the line, so that direct go to the pan map, click on, just drag, the tool will be changed. Again click on the add lines, so we can digitalize a line in a proper method. So in this way make digitalization of a line layer. So we can add the lines. So if we observe the original map, there are pixels which indicates the squares. So our base map which have a raster image, because it's have a pixel, I just click it, and when it's come right click and close it. So this is my second contour. So ID number is 2 and I want to mention here the height. Okay, now I will use the pan tool and note the height which is 4750 and make it okay. So my second line which is be ready. Okay, now my two lines are digitalized, but in this second line there is a problem, the line which is a break here. Okay, now I want to connect the line, so I use the vertex tool, click here and I want to click the both lines. So these are the vertex tool to join the line. Okay, then I stop the toggle editing and say him to save the proper line. Just go to the original view, and these two lines are to be digitalized. I uncheck the contour line, see, and uncheck the box. These are the two contour line. I want a proper contour height which may be mentioned on the contour. Right click here, go to the properties, label, single label. Okay, then the height, apply and okay. So we will just uncheck the layer and we will see there is a height which is mentioned on the row. Okay, then so in this way we can digitalize every contour. So then I just click contour, go to the properties. So in this properties, here is a height and here are the some text. Suppose I want to change the color of the the font which height font means I want to color change this the figure, okay, figure colors, or so I will go to the properties and I want to change some background, change some text. So maybe I can change the font of that specific figure. So we can change the style, it's a bold, okay. Then place means the contour, the figure which shown on contour, we can change the it's the place, okay. Now we will see where it's exactly, just scroll the curve. So we need online, so it's become online, below the line, so above the line. So below the line, I just check the below the line, make it apply, okay, see which is the below line and which is on a bold style. So right click, go to the properties. Now suppose I want it's a text, okay, then formatting, type of the case, uppercase, lowercase, so buffer, so we can't use buffer for this, background, shadow, so we can make a shadow of the specific line, so placement, horizontal, on line and above line, below line, apply and okay. Now it's changed and we'll get there is a shadow of a text. So in this way we can digitalize the line contour line and its height, okay. Then now in this way we can digitalize the contour. Now I want to digitalize the road or reversed. So again we have to create a new another layer, create new shapefile. Now we want to digitalize road, okay. Then go to the line, here is the road and click OK. So new column which is generated, I just uncheck the contour column and now I want to digitalize the road. So I want to check the property of road, so right click on the road, go to the properties of the road, okay. Now go to the symbol, click on the simple line, I want to just change the color of the road, a specific road, okay. Then stroke, then which style I want, which we want, so dash line, dot line. Suppose it is a district border, use the dash line. If you want to digitalize the Tehsil border, use dot line. So I just show to use dot line, make it apply and okay. Now I want to digitalize, so this road from from here to here, okay. Then click on toggle editing, here is the second line, add line features, the cursor will be changed and start digitalizing. Suppose here is a road, okay, then click on the hand tool, continue the road, there is a small line which can be identified. So in this way we can digitalize the road. From here, okay. I just right click here, one number for the, this is my first layer of a road, just I name the first. Okay, now my road is ready. I just uncheck the toggle editing, save it, and zoom the map. As I uncheck the raster image, we will see the road which is digitalized. Okay, now these are the contour and these are the road. So in this way, so these are the points. In this way we can create our own map with our own features. So thank you very much and have a good day.